So I have 4 mini bananas that I've added to a blender along with 1 tablespoon of agave, and I'm just going to blend this until it's smooth. And this is what it will look like once it's all blended. And in my bowl, I've whipped up some Aquafaba. I'll leave a link in the description box below. And you can see that it's very stiff. The stiffer the better, because it won't break down as fast. And so to my Aquafaba, and this is about 2 cups of Aquafaba. To get this, I use about 3 tablespoons of chickpea liquid and whipped it up. And I'm pouring in my blended bananas. And I'm just folding this in until it's nice and mixed. And you just want to gently fold this so that your Aquafaba stays nice and fluffy. And then I'm going to go ahead and start sifting in my spelt flour. You can also use chickpea flour as well. And so I'm just sifting a little at a time. I'm adding 1/4 cup of spelt flour to the mixture and then mixing it in, and then adding another 1/4 cup. But I'm sifting that in until I get 1 full cup of spelt flour. And this is what the mixture looks like. You can still see some of the whipped Aquafaba, but I'm going to leave it like that because I don't want to over mix it. And so I've gone ahead and added that to my pan. My pan is greased, and I've just scooped out even amounts. And you just want to cook that until it starts to cook through. And you can see that it starts to form bubbles on the top like this. And once it starts to look like that, then it's pretty much ready to flip. And so I flipped those after they've cooked for maybe about 3 minutes. And then I cooked it on the second side for about 2 minutes. And then it's done. And I just topped that with some sliced bananas, a little date sugar, and a little bit of date syrup. And there you go.